Hey, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your girl, Pauline, coming to y'all to show y'all some of the concepts that I've been working on. Y'all have been busy because I started street sales on, I believe it was Tuesday, Monday, just to test the water in my neighborhood and see, what my potential customers like, what the preferences are. And y'all, I must say, it went pretty well. So for the 3 days that I were out there, yeah, I did pretty good. So I had to come home and make some more baskets because I didn't make a lot. As a matter of fact, I was still selling some of the baskets from Valentine's because I had them. So I just revamped them, changed the ribbon, uh, took out some candies that were in there. Um, Anything that I could have left in that had Valentine on it, I just put a sticker on it, flower sticker on it, and called it a day. And they sold. So I did pretty good. So I'm just going to show you all a few of them. This is one that I just finished. This is one of those postal boxes that I wrapped, and I have a candle in there. The thread is hiding, but there's a Mother's Day sign on there. I have some slippers. I have the Everlasting Love lotion. I have some bath wash back there. I got that from Ollie's. I've never tried this one before, but I'm trying it to see if it sells. I also have the spray back there. I have the pedicure set back there. There's a bath glove, exfoliating bath glove. There is a black tumbler. Not a black tumbler. There is a black robe in there. You probably can't see it. And then of course I have this tumbler that I got from Walmart a while back. I'm using pull bows on all of my gifts because I have very little ribbon. I haven't been able to catch those 90% and sales and so forth yet. But I will one day. So I'm using all pull bows. I have two different bows on this one. And yeah, I'm selling this for $65. So I think I can get at least $65 for this. Okay, y'all, so here is another one. Still Classy showed us this leopard thing that the other day, and I was able to find, I think I found 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. So I'm using this one in one of my concepts. I have here the robe, the white robe. You all know where this came from. I don't know. Maybe I should have taken this off, but it's okay. I'm not gonna sweat it. And we have the foot. We have the slippers, the foot cream, the bath bomb, whatever else that is in there. We have y'all know the spa stuff, the body scrub, and the lotion. And of course, I put a tumbler in there, put a rose there, and yep, call this one a wrap. Again, I have a nice little pull bow up there. So yeah. So let's see, my other one is back here. Give me a second, y'all. I don't want to mess that up. Okay, so give me a second, y'all. Let me fix this. Okay, so this is another one that I got these slippers. I believe it was from, I'm not sure where I got these from. I had them for so long. But anyways, I got a pair of slippers there. I have the bathrobe with the eye mask and the bath puff. I added a pair of socks there to take up that space. I have here the Old Love, y'all. This is from City Trend, and I have the body wash from Pop Shelf, and that is this one. And for this one, oh, I don't have a price on here yet, but for this one, I'm going to try and get about $50. Yeah. Okay, so this one here, this little teddy bear, I got that from Dollar General sometime the early part of last year. And I thought it was so cute. It came with a little blanket, so I took the blanket off. And I'm using the teddy bear for this concept. I have in here one of those scalp massages. I have the Love Struck lotion, some Pond's cream. I have here this in Ives. This is the one that I got from Ollie's, and I'm trying to see how that sells. It smells good. It smells so good, y'all. And back here, I have this eye mask back there. There's a clear tumbler, so you can see the eye mask through the tumbler. I have here some bath bombs that I put in this little candle holder, and we have the bath puff. And I have not priced this one yet, but I'm going to put this right around $35, $40. Okay. This one here, this one is the new products from you know where, and I have the bath salt, the body wash down there. We have the foot pedicure thing, the exfoliating glove, the bath puff. I needed to fill the space up, so I put in the body mist. I have back here a robe and the prayer cards, and of course a cup. So yeah, this one I have at about $45. This is another one. These Hershey's we got right after Valentine. So what I did was I cut the Valentine sticker off, and I just glued that down, the top down. So these are the bath bombs. This here is the sugar scrub. Again, it had the Valentine thing on it, so I just covered it up with a Mother's Day sticker. This is one of those little hand cream that we got during right after Christmas, and I covered up the gingerbread with with a flower sticker. These stickers I made on myself. And we have a pair of socks. We have the scalp massager. We have another one of those teddy bears that I talked about in my other video. We have the prayer card and a cup. And I have this priced around $35. So this basket here, let's see what it this basket cost me about $8-9 to make. So yeah, so I think yeah, $35. So tell me what y'all think, y'all. These are some of the concepts that I've done so far. I have some in my car getting ready to take over to the little spot that I'm at. And yep, I'll be going over there later on today. So, and I pray that I have as good a sales or better that I did as I did the past few days. I took yesterday off to get some rest and to just spend time with the family. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to share my video, leave a comment. If you are a subscriber, you know, as I always say, I appreciate you all, and I really, really thank you for coming back and supporting your girl. Again, if I didn't say it before, I don't think I did. This is Pauline with my crafting hut, and I'm about to go out and try and make that money today. Until the next video, God bless. See ya.